Hey, welcome everybody. Here we've got Sammy, the little small boy with fun all the time. He enjoys the cars, he enjoys the toys, he enjoys my company. Alright, so what we have done is we've started this Sammy's Toy Engineering Lab, and we'll be experimenting with a lot of toys. So you gotta stay tuned with us, and we'll be sharing lot of engineering of the toys. We want to see how toys work. Sammy is always ever excited as how these toys work, and then what is the functionality which is making this car pushing forward. So Sammy, are you excited to know what is in this car?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. All right. Oh wow, that you look like super excited. Cool. Let's just start with this one. So we want to see. So what we've got this set of screwdrivers.
There's so many different screws.
A lot of cars. We'll be experimenting with them. We'll be getting a lot of toys. So what we're gonna do? Oh, sorry.
And we put the screws over there.
Okay. So we got. All right. So you gotta put this right here.
You have to let it open. We have to put the screw over here.
Okay. All right. So. Oh wow, so what car is this? So it is a taxi car? Alright, cool. You see. Indeed, it's a taxi. Alright, so we're going to start opening this. Look at this. It should be super cool. We have 4 screws on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. So we're going to start opening this up. First screw. Sammy, you got to catch the screw once it comes off. Wait a second. Alright, it's right here. Pick it up. So we're gonna pick another screw. Wait a second, we are just unscrewing it. Cool. Here you go. It's a third one. Are you guys excited? What is there in the car? Yeah. Oh, you are more than super excited. Alright, cool. So we've got this 4th screw right over here.
I'm super duper excited.
You're super duper excited. That's pretty good to know about it. Alright, cool. So here we have this toy. We're gonna just open it. Oops, yeah, you did it wonderfully well. It doesn't have the. We checked with another one. This one doesn't have the ball. No worries, it's fine. So it's like super easy engineering. All the time, you love it. That's great. So we want to see that how this is working. You know, it has got this little piece of plastic over here, and once it touches, it makes some sound, and it charges the car back, so it moves forward that way. So we're gonna do. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open. Do you want to open this one as well?
Yeah.
Okay. So here we go. We're gonna unscrew this one too. Do you want to do the exercise? You want to make your body right now? All right. So once we unscrew this out, we have taken this tiny piece of plastic from it, and you see that it doesn't work at all. So this tiny piece has got. You want to take this off too?
Yeah. And we can take it off.
This is locked here, so this is locking. So if you can push a little bit, you can take it off. Wow. Right. All right. So we can put it back. All right. So we're gonna. Oh, this goes with a little pressure and then it goes back. You see that it is not working. This has got some mechanical pieces inside it which charges up. We store this energy once we move it, and then it moves forward.
I didn't have any wheels.
Right, so wheels are right here with me. One is with me and one is with you. We gotta put it back. Alright, right here.
So my one wheel is on it. It's gonna be funny. I'm gonna do a funny thing, Dad.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna do a funny thing. Show you.
You gotta show it to everyone what funny thing you wanna do.
It's
Yeah, so
I'm just driving like this with one wheel.
oh wow, cool. So
Look at this, Daddy. What are you doing?
I'm gonna put this final screw, this screw back, and wait a second. Alright, you fixed this up. Thank you so much for giving back me my wheels. I'm gonna make my... You see this? This is the real piece of engineering. This is small piece because it started working as soon as I put it back. You see that? Alright, so right here. Alright, we have fixed the car. We just need to screw them back.
We don't fix them right now. We are making screws.
Alright, give me back these screws. I'm ready. Super excited to fix this up.
I'm super duper excited.
Okay.
You know, Dad, I'm super duper excited. Yay!
So, guys, we'll be doing electric cars, and we'll be trying to understand how these remote cars work. We'll be doing many cars.
We're not using electric cars. We're doing nothing. This is not electric. This is a scratch car.
Yeah, so we'll be doing the electric cars as well. So subscribe to our channel if you want to see all those new videos from the Sammy Toy Engineering Lab. Oh, cool.
I'm super duper excited.
Alright, so we are almost done with this final one.
Is it ready?
Wait a second. What you can do is, I'm just screwing it.
I'm screwing it.
Alright, cool. So what you can do is, can you just push it so that it moves forward? Oh, it's going back to the parking area. Cool. Thank you so much, Sammy, for being with me. And thank you, everyone. Hello. Alright, thank you so much, everyone. So what I'm doing is, we will be coming next week, and we'll be coming with more toys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a good weekend. Take care.
Everybody